Welcome back to this video. If you use WhatsApp, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video I will show you top 3 WhatsApp privacy feature that you need to explore right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. Then from your Play Store or App Store, click on Search. Then come to the search app right here and type in WhatsApp. Then click on Search. It's take you right here. So if you have not updated your WhatsApp, what you need to do is to make sure you click on Update right here. So after you have successfully updated your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Open right here. So now let's explore the WhatsApp new privacy feature. So the very first thing you want to do is to click on this 3 dots right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Settings. Next thing you need to do is to go to Privacy. It's take you right here. The very third privacy I would like to share with you here is sharing of WhatsApp status to your Facebook. For you to do that, click on Status right here. Then click on your Facebook. Then click on Get Started. Then click on Agree. Then click on Facebook again. Then make sure you turn on this talk button. With that, each time you are sharing anything on your WhatsApp status, it automatically shares to your Facebook story. That's simple as that. So the second one I have for you here, if you simply scroll down right here under the privacy section, then you come to Privacy Checker. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Add More Privacy to your chat. Click on here. And here, choose End-to-End Encrypt Backup. That's simple as that. At this point here, what you need to do is to set up your end-to-end encrypt backup into your WhatsApp account. And this backup here will be only visible to you. Even Google and WhatsApp will not have access to it. So what you need to do is to create a login password and set up your account. And with that, you are done. You can also come down below after you have created an account with your end-to-end backup encryption. You can use this to change your password, or better still, you can turn off your backup end-to-end encryption in this privacy section of WhatsApp new feature. Let's take a look at the very first one I have for you. I'm going to simply go back right here. Go back. So the very last one I have for you here is under About right here. If you click on your About, this is information about your account, about your personal detail that you put on your WhatsApp. Here, you can decide that everyone have access to it. Who can see my About? You can decide to put my contact or my contact except or nobody. If you really want to hide your About, simply choose nobody. That's simple. I hope you really got all these 3 new features useful. If you find this tutorial useful, remember, click on that subscribe for more new WhatsApp tutorial features like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.